Welcome to TechLeapR channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to find and replace on Microsoft Word. So at first open up your Microsoft Word and then open any document. After open the document, click on home. Now here you can see find option, then just click on find and then type the word that you want to find, and you can type any word as you want. And here it is. I want to find harmful. Now if you want to replace any word, just click on replace and then type the word. If I type water pollution, I want to replace with w.p. Then you have to click on replace all. Then click on OK. Then just close the window and it's done. You can see water pollution word has been replaced successfully. Also, if you want to find pollution, just click on find and then type pollution, and that's it. And that is how you can find and replace on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe